Year 3 community. We're going to work on today creating bookmarks inside Google Chrome. Alright, so you should have Chrome installed. If not, watch the video that helps you install and shows you what to do to install Chrome. Let's click on Chrome. Let me open it up. If you're on a Chromebook, you would have already logged into this, so you would already be logged in over here. If you're doing this from home, just make sure you click into the sign in button and actually sign into your account. Ready to start. Alright, so you can see across the top of my page I have these different buttons here. Star, style, my internet account, my the blog. Yeah, different ones across there. So this is your bookmark bar. We want to add different things to our bookmark bar. So I would like you to go to these three lines over here. This is where you can control and change things of your browser. Come down to the fourth one which says bookmarks, and you'll see on the left hand side now this big one appears here. At the top you have to make sure that you've got ticked show bookmarks bar. If I untick it, you'll see my bar hasn't disappeared. It should disappear there. So if you don't see that bar there, you need to make sure that you go to bookmarks and you go show bookmarks bar. So you should be able to see different things that are here, and when we create them you'll be able to see them there. So let's demonstrate how to put our year 3 blog on our bookmarks bar. So click at the top, type in year3.smhampton.catholic.edu.au. So make sure you write this down if you're unsure how to spell it. Look at the front of the classroom if you're at school. If not at home, make sure you write it down if you've got it. So push enter and that will load that. So it's come straight into it because I've already logged in. So I might just log out for it to show you the same page. Get out of this for a minute. Out. So just come into that first part. So log out, yes, log out. Alright, so come out here and I'll just go to... Right, looks the same as what you will see. Oh, stop doing this. Love is coming straight in. Yours should probably come to a blue page. You just have to type year 3, Y-E-A-R 3, and then it'll come in and it'll look exactly the same as what this is looking at. So we've done it. Mine is already bookmarked, that's why it's yellow. I'm just going to click on that and remove that quickly just to show you what to do. So click on and remove. Alright, so to bookmark this page, I click on the yellow star. It will go yellow. I need to make sure, if you just it's got a long name, it says Year 3 Community at Year 3 Community and then St Mary's Learning Advantage. We don't really need that last bit, so if you click and delete the last bit, just have that there. That's a long enough name for our bookmark. Make sure you're saving it on the bookmarks bar. It should be, that's the one that should be selected because that's where we want to put it. And hit done. That's as easy. You should see then appear on the bar in front of you your bookmark, your blog or your bookmark. Mine hasn't appeared here because I've got lots of them, and I'll show you when you do get more than 1 or 2 or 3, or you get 10 or 20. You need to then organise them. So if I click on those 3 lines and go to bookmarks, you'll see they all appear on the side here. So that when you bookmark a page, the last one you bookmark is always at the end. So there you can see that's the last one I did. So I want to put that closer up the top. So I'm clicking on that, hold my left button down and dragging up to the top. Drag. And I want to put it there where I can see it, so I'll put it here in front of the stopwatch. So I should be able to see it. There it is up there, Year 3 Community, what I've just made. So that's just one of them. I would like you to open up your Google Docs. Yeah, so if you click a new tab there, and then go to the 9 little grey squares, go to Drive. I've created in JB and in TN a file called Bookmarks. So if you go down to Student Shared, open it up, click on whichever class you're part of. If you're JB, then click on JB. If you're in TN, click on TN. So open up JB. You can see bookmarks is the first one there. So if you open them up, what I would like you to do is create these bookmarks or put them onto your bookmarks bar. So there's one there, study ladder. So highlight it, drag along. You need to copy it. There's 3 ways to do this. You can go up to edit and go copy. You can also see when you're there, next to it you've got this Control C. That's another way you can copy. Or you can also just right click and go copy. Remember, if you're on a Chromebook, you have to have the tap two fingers in the center of your keypad will bring up this this menu. So copy it, click back on the first tab which says Year 3 Community. If you drag along there and highlight that, and then right click and go paste. Remember, right click on your Chromebook is the 2 fingers together in the center of the page or center of the pad. Paste it, there it is, study ladder, push enter, and it will take us to study ladder. Alright, I'm logged in at the moment here. I'll just log out to show you what it looks like. Should come into something like this. Get rid of that. Won't do exactly what I tell it. Alright, so it's trying to do this. Yours will look probably a little bit different, but you want to go into the login part. Oh no, sorry, we just want to save this. So I'm on the account site. Doesn't really matter because I'm logged in there. So we want to bookmark this onto our bookmarks bar. So clicking on the star, you'll notice the study ladder one has a long ending. We don't want it as long as that. We don't need to know all that other information. We just want to know that it's called study ladder. So drag along there, delete all the rest, just have your study ladder. Make sure again it's on the bookmarks bar, that's where we want to put it, and push done. And you should see now the second one appear. Obviously mine's not appearing like I said before because mine, I've got lots of them, and that would have appeared here now as I show you down the bottom of my page. I can put that closer up if I want. I've already got it a few times, so I might even just delete those quickly so as I'm demonstrating it to you. Alright, so do the same thing for the other ones in the bookmarks, the style app. I might even put a few extra on there as well that you can put in. Alright, once you do all those, you should have 4 to 5 different bookmarks that come on your bookmarks bar, which will be handy when we need to do stuff. Alright, that's it. Ask any questions if you have problems.